Learners, in this video, we are to take the information about past form of be able to. Already we learnt present form of be able to. Now, past form means how should we use be able to in the past. So, past form of be able to. Yes. So, past form already I gave information about to be. So here just you are to use past form which are was and were. But again and again I am reminding you, just you should not learn affirmative sentence construction. No, that is not sufficient to communicate in our day-to-day life. You must know negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. So deliberately I give 4 rules. Here again you are to study affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. But be conscious, directly be is not used in the sentences. Instead of be, you are to use here was and were. Okay. So rule, affirmative rule. First of all, subject. Okay. Then past form. So we must use here was or were. Okay. Then able to. After that, first form of verb plus object, then remaining part of sentence. Right. Negative, subject, was or were, and don't forget to use not after was were. Then everything is same. Be able to, then first form of verb plus object plus RPS, remaining part of sentence. Look, interrogative was where at the beginning, then subject, then able to, after that first form of verb plus object plus RPS plus question mark. Okay, interrogative negative was where at the beginning, then subject, after that not. If you want to use directly not, means contraction, wasn't or weren't, you can use then subject and then able to. But here I have used expansion. After subject not, then able to, then remaining same. First form of verb plus object plus RPS plus question mark. Okay, I will take 5 examples. You are to make your own examples. Again, I would like to revise what are the uses of be able to. Friends, with the help of be able to, we can indicate ability, possibility, capability and power. But here, what past form? Which form here we are using? Past form of be able to. What are the uses? We can indicate power, possibility, capability or capacity, right? But here we are to express past power, past ability, past capability. So please remind this. I would like to say राहुल द्रविड भारतीय संघाचे नेतृत्व करण्यास सक्षम होता, समर्थ होता, म्हणजे त्याची ती पात्रता होती. इन हिंदी, राहुल द्रविड़ भारतीय संघ का नेतृत्व करने के लिए सक्षम था, समर्थ था. ओके. Which rule? Which rule? Affirmative. Why? Because I gave example affirmative in Marathi and in Hindi. चलो, सबसे पहले who? Rahul Dravid. One more point I would like to explain. How should we get subject, verb and object? I made special videos. So OB videos please try to watch. Okay. Rahul Dravid. Was or were? I have given information about the use of was and were in past continuous tense and special uses of was and were. वो वीडियो भी आप लोग देखते जाइए. राहुल द्रविड़ सिंगुलर है, was. हाँ, रूल पे नजर. एबल टू लीड ऐसा मैं लेना चाहूंगा. लीड, नेतृत्व करना ना. द टीम. You can use Indian cricket team, no doubt. Rahul Dravid was able to lead the team. Okay. Next sentence. मेरा मित्र प्रत्युत्तर देने के लिए समर्थ था, सक्षम था. माझा मित्र प्रत्युत्तर देण्यास सक्षम होता. Yes. Again affirmative. Subject who my friend, again singular, so was able to reply. Okay, yes, my friend was able to reply or re-answer means he had the capacity. He had that capacity. So we can indicate capability, power, ability with the help of be able to. But here, which form of verb or which form of be able to? We are using past form, means past ability, past capacity. Okay, I would like to say ती चांगले जेवण किंवा चांगला स्वयंपाक करण्यास सक्षम नहोती. वो अच्छा खाना पकाने के लिए लायक नहीं थी, सक्षम नहीं थी, समर्थ नहीं थी. निगेटिव. यस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सब्जेक्ट, शी wasn't, contraction, was not. हाँ, बाकी able to cook well. She was not able to cook well. निगेटिव है, निगेटिव फॉर्म लिया और पास्ट लिया, तो थोड़ा सा देखते जाइए. नेक्स्ट, पुलिस चोरांना पकडण्यास सक्षम नव्हती का क्या समर्थ नव्हती का? क्या पुलिस चोरों को पकड़ने के लिए सक्षम नहीं थी, समर्थ नहीं थी या लायक नहीं थी? नहीं थी. और प्रश्न भी है, इट मीन्स इंटरोगेटिव निगेटिव, तो चौथा रूल. यस, वेयर पुलिस नॉट, यू कैन यूज वेरंट डायरेक्टली, नो डाउट. पुलिस नॉट. ओके, तो मैंने वेरंट लेता हूं तो यहां पे नॉट नहीं. ओके, यू शुड नॉट यूज अगेन नॉट. इफ यू वांट टू यूज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, वेरंट पुलिस और वेर पुलिस नॉट. बाकी का सेंटेंस, able to arrest, catch the thieves. Yes, and don't forget to give question mark, it is a question. Weren't police or were police not able to catch the thieves, arrest the thieves? Okay, last sentence, खेळाडू तो मॅच किंवा तो सामना जिंकण्यास समर्थ होते का? क्या खिलाड़ी वो मैच जीतने के लिए सक्षम थे या उनमें वो क्षमता थी? ऐसा मैं बोल रहा हूं. नाउ आई यूज्ड इंटरोगेटिव सेंस, ओनली इंटरोगेटिव माय फ्रेंड. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन वन. सो अगेन, वेयर शुड बी यूज्ड? वेयर द प्लेयर्स, where the players, rule पे नजर, able to win the match. Yes. Look, where the players able to win the match means with the help of be able to. Here we are using past form, so that's why was where and then able to. So what we are indicating here? We are indicating here past ability, past capacity, क्षमता, सामर्थ्य. Okay, patrata you can indicate with the help of be able to. So it was past form of be able to. In the next video I will teach future form of be able to. Okay friends, try to make your own sentences. If you get any difficulty, any doubt, please comment me. I will try to help you. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you.